How to use your mindset to attract wealth in 3 simple ways. What is wealth and why do you want to become wealthy? The definition of wealth is personal to each individual, and what it means to be wealthy is entirely up to you. Wealth is simply having an abundance of valuable resources. Some people consider wealth as lots of money, others consider it as having the luxuries they want in life, some consider it as having inner happiness, good health and peace of mind. It is important to note that regardless of what wealth means to you, you need some decent amount of money to be considered wealthy. To attract wealth, your mind must simply become wealthy. You must be open to opportunities, and receptive to new suggestions and ideas. Like always attracts like, and there can be no lasting wealth for a man with an impoverished mindset. Welcome to the Aspiring Millionaires Network, the home of current and future millionaires. So, let's get into it. 3 ways to condition your mind to attract wealth. Number 1. Make a decision to become financially independent and wealthy. As simple as this may sound, making a firm decision to become wealthy can be the biggest turning point in your life with regards wealth creation. This would drive the decisions you make about wealth, saving, spending and handling money. Write down the date you decided to change your wealth station and keep it in a visible place. This is a commitment to yourself, so, bin your fears, and begin the journey of creating the wealthy life you desire. If you are just starting out, here are a few tips to help you and maintain a wealth mindset after making your decision. Be grateful for what you currently have. You don't need Warren Buffett's resources to take your partner out on a nice date, or to save some money for your children's tuition, or to donate money to a charity of your choice. Wealth is a state of mind, so, being grateful and conscious of these acts will enable you build a wealthy mindset. You might not have Warren Buffett's resources, but you can have the same level of happiness by being grateful for what you have. Reduce your needs and increase your wealth. Going forward, evaluate everything you buy. Ask yourself, is this really a need or a want? A millionaire worth £3 million, leading an extravagant lifestyle costing £1 million a year, only has 3 years of independence. The person worth £200,000, who only needs £20,000 a year to supplement his pension contributions, could have 15 to 20 years of financial independence and might never need to work again. Earn more, spend less, and don't forget to invest. Start believing today that you too can become wealthy and financially free, and that you have the power to make your own success. Your behavior will always follow your beliefs. As Roy Bennett stated, believe in your infinite potential. Your only limitations are those you set upon yourself. Number 2. Never stop learning. Become obsessed about learning everything you can about how wealth works. It is quite simple. If you want to be wealthy, read and learn about wealth. Read autobiographies, check out docuseries, watch YouTube videos on the lives of the wealthy and how they began their journey. Learn about how the economy works, learn how the stocks markets work, learn about investments and be curious. Read the Financial Times regularly, sign up to the Motley Fool blogs. Here are 6 books that can help on your journey of attaining a wealth mindset. We can almost guarantee that if you read all these books and act upon them, you would become a different person in the next 90 days. So here we go. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert T. Kiyosaki. How Rich People Think, Steve Siebold. Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill. The Richest Man in Babylon, George Clason. The Automatic Millionaire, David Bark. The Millionaire Fast Lane, M.J. DeMarco. Number 3. Make wealth moves. To become financially successful, you need to create a financial plan centered on your personal values, your vision and the goals that you have for your life. Write down your financial freedom number. To arrive at this number, we recommend you add up all your current monthly expenses, multiply it by 12 months, and then multiply the total by 40 years. Example: Perry is 25 years old, his total monthly expenses including his mortgage, investments contribution, car payment and living expenses is £2,500 per month. To get his financial freedom number, Perry multiplies £2,500 by 12 months equals £30,000. Perry then multiplies £30,000 by 40 years equals £1.2 million. So, quite simply, Perry needs £1.2 million to be financially free. B. Invest your earnings for growth. Investing in assets that will appreciate over time and provide you with a return on your investment, such as dividend or interest payments, is smart. The goal is to build your asset portfolio and make it so strong that you can live off the passive income in the near future. Use your money to buy time. Wealth is measured in time, not money. What does this actually mean? Numerous research over the years with wealthy friends, colleagues, and mentors, we often ask them, why do you strive to make more money? We mostly receive correlating answers like, we want freedom, security, more time with our family and financial independence. So, always remember that money is essentially just a tool to purchase time to do something else, whether it's spending more time with family or going on vacation around the globe. Be careful how you spend your time. Find a way to make more money in less time. D. Create multiple income streams. Smart people create more than one income stream as it protects them from market and economic uncertainties. That means if one source of revenue dries up due to market conditions, other sources of income can protect you from a loss. Ownership is the best flex. Always look out for opportunities to invest in appreciating assets. Summary. In order to attract wealth, you must create a wealth mindset within you and remember to make a decision today about becoming wealthy. Increase you learning about wealth. Make wealth moves. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to be notified when we release more awesome videos.